This handle is all about safety for you, the operator, because it's going to reduce all the stresses you put on your body tightening these straps. It's also for highway safety, because none of us want anything to fall off and injure or hurt somebody going down the highway. Woo! Let's get one more click. Oh my God. I'm not putting any work to my body. I got like 3 times the leverage with this here, good and tight. One more, just for the heck of it. Look at that. To give you an idea of the strength of the good and tight ratchet, that these straps are all good and tight. The straps, they're all good and tight. How old are you?
8.
You're 8? I think that's probably enough on that one, Adriana. I think you got it good.
They bettered everything with straps, got away from the chain.
Yep, everything's strapped nowadays. Well, do you think it's an improvement over the winch bar?
Yes.
Okay.
Really an improvement.
Good, good.
Yep.
Well, use it.
A winch bar's a killer.
Made out of high-strength polycarbonate. We're going to demonstrate today on some BA straps. We got a 2-inch, a 3-inch, and a 4-inch. We're not advocating over-tightening anybody's strap. All we're doing is giving you the ability to safely and easily tighten everybody's ratchets without destroying the ratchets or your body. Here's a 2-inch. Good and tight. Here's their 3-inch ratchet. And their 4-inch ratchet. As you can see, the 4-inch, the 3-inch, and the 2-inch are all good and tight. We didn't strain our body, and we didn't destroy any of the ratchets. Hey everybody, Craig here for the Good and Tight Ratchet Strap Tightening Handle. This tool is made out of polycarbonate. This isn't plastic. This is a tool that's going to last for years. Check your tires, or if you forget your hammer, drive some nails.